everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we're going to be looking at a set number 60150 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2016. So without further ado, let's get started. This set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this chef that we have over here. So this chef has a white top with a little red neckerchief going around his neck there, and these lines of buttons going down the front as well. Some plain black trousers and some plain white sleeves as well. And on the top of his head we have this slick brown hair piece over here, and looking over here at his face, he has an orange bushy mustache and some orange eyebrows. And looking around the back as well, we have a plain white back over here with just a little detail back there for his back and more of that red neckerchief. And our second minifigure is this woman over here. So first of all, this woman has this dark brown hair going down the front over here, this long dark brown hair. We can take that off just to have a closer look at the blue top over here. So it looks like a hooded top with a stomach pocket over there and some nice leafy plant design going up the front over here, and these little cords as well. Some white legs and some light blue sleeves as well, matching up with the top, and her face is an ordinary feminine face. The hair over here, done in dark brown, goes down to the shoulders over here and quite decently round the back as well. And having a look at the back, we can see the rest of the hood over here, and as well the expressive black lines over here around the waist. And also for this minifigure, we get this little white riding helmet over here, so we can take the hair off and switch it over for a helmet. Of course, you can change the pizza chef's hair round as well. And this has a opening tinted visor over here, which goes halfway down the face. So the main part of this set is this pizza van over here. So first of all, it has a decent bulk because on the inside over here we have space to put a minifigure over there. We'll have a look inside the booth later on, but this is a mobile food van over here, and it stretches to 14 centimeters in length and 8 centimeters in height. The color scheme is generally yellow with some dark red accents as well. So first of all, let's have a look at the front. So we have a stylized front to this van over here. So first of all, we have the bumper made out of these slope pieces. One of them has a sticker on them, BD60150, which is the number of this set. And going up the front over here, we have this rounded base plate over here, and as well around the sides of the bumper we have these orange pieces as well as indicator lights. And over here on the nose we have this special nose piece over here, this car specific nose piece. And we also have these little white tiles to be our headlights too. Going up the side over here we have these roof tile elements, and going over here to the side we have these little mirrors done in black. These are some cheese slope pieces on some clips and handles over here, and around the very side of here we have these opening car doors done in yellow as well. Looking at the windscreen over here, we have this dark windscreen done in a sort of black, so nice touch there. And looking here at the roof, we have a removable roof done in this dark red accent color, very nice there. And this tile over here slanted on these slanted base plates, and it has a sticker on it, City Pizza, with a little sun in the background of a cityscape over there. And looking on the inside of the pizza van where the seating area is, we have space for one minifigure over there, a dark blue steering wheel here, and we have some bricks at the back over here, and this panel to make space for some headroom. So over here on the side, let's have first look at the base. So this pizza van is sitting on these 15mm grey wheel rims with these street tires and full dark grey mudguards as well. And going along the sides over here, we have these slightly jutting out pieces over here. These are these sliding door pieces done in light grey. Couldn't find the name just there. And we have these textured grille elements as well here. Now, the sides of the pizza van are very well decorated. We've got these tall yellow bricks over here, along with these doors, and we also have this dark red stripe of an accent color going through here, which kind of fits in with this yellow as well, sort of dark contrast with bright color. And of course we have these stickers decorating the side of the pizza van. So first of all, on these opening panel pieces, we have a chef over here holding a pizza, nice black mustache over there. Pizza, pizza, pizza. And over here we have some very tiny numbers showing opening times, and of course the City Pizza logo over here as well, and some red and white and green stripes in the background as well. And here over here on this 2-high brick, we have a little menu placard showing a pizza for 3 and a salad for 2. Now, before we look on the inside of the pizza van, let's have a quick look at the back over here. So there's not much to the back over here, just a plain yellow panel piece here and some red tiles to be our brake lights. We also have this brick over here, which has another sticker, another number plate, BD60150, which I believe is the same as the front. Why else would it not be? And we also have some extra base plate pieces to be our indicator lights and our brake lights as well. So now it's time to have a look at the interior of the pizza van. So first of all, these doors open up on both sides, and he's a little bit cramped in there, but I think we can zoom in a little bit there to get a closer look. So first of all, we have this space over here for a minifigure to stand. I'll just stand a minifigure in there just a little bit later on to hold the doors into place. We have these panel pieces done in a dark translucent color, just like the windscreen over here. And on the inner side, let's see if we can have a look on the inside and the back. We have a pizza sitting over there on a what do they call them? Jumper plate, yeah? And we also have a few little things there, which I'll show you in just a bit. Let me just put them aside. We have these stuff embedded into the back of the pizza van. So first of all, we have this yellow nozzle and this red nozzle to be our mustard and ketchup. If we look around to the other side, we can have a better look at this little console piece over here. This little console piece, this is printed to cash out the money, and we have a little grill element under that, and we also have these studs to hold some accessories. And if we also have a look around to the other side of the interior, we have some extra details in there as well. So let me just see if I can get a good angle for this. So first of all, we have this little compartment over here with a grey frame and a light blue door. Let me just see if I can open that. Well, I'm not going to open that now, but it is openable over there, and I suppose this is the oven. And looking around to the other side over here, we have a little green tile over there to provide as a light, and underneath that, let me just remove a few pieces, we have another printed tile over here. This one is a sort of calculated display piece, and all along the inside we have some extra decorative pieces for some textured pieces in there as well, all along down in there. So now that we have that out of the way, let's have a look at some of those accessories that we had on the inside. So first of all, we have this little container of chips. This is a round tubular piece in dark red as well, with some yellow crystal pieces used for some chips. We get one of this in this set, and we also get this little can of some soda or some sort of beverage here with this light blue piece, and a printed tile on this little ring pull. And finally, here's a look at this pizza, which is a round flat tile with a print on it, and it's got some details in there, lots of cheese, and it looks like pepperoni. And here's a quick look at our pizza chef, at how he's standing inside his little van. And as well, we can have a look at the doors, which are quite sturdily built. They've got these inverted tiles underneath them as well to hold it nicely all together. So now it's time for the fact of the day. So, what have we got? Okay, so the fact of the day is mobile food trucks and portable food booths serve around 2.5 billion people every day. And finally, we can have a quick look at the roof over here. Nearly missed it out, but I remembered. So first of all, we have these attachments, these handles and clips, which hold up these opening doors over here. And we also have these fountain slope pieces done in dark red to slope things off. And we have a relatively flat roof over here with these large tiles, and we have a few studs over there. That is, of course, for your wonderful ninja roof chases.
What?
And finally, we do get a few extra little builds to this set. So first of all, we have this little red scooter over here with a little yellow light on the front and these white wheels here attached. This single red piece over here with this little sort of frame piece to hold it up, sort of main stand. And over here on the back of the scooter, we have ourselves a little pizza box. So this tile over here is just sitting on this jumper plate like so, and it has a little sticker on it. So first of all, we have City Pizza over there, some red, green, and white, and a little pizza over there as well. And just to get a little bit of a laid back feeling, we have this little outdoor table. It is an outdoor table because it does have this green umbrella piece on the top like this. We can take that off to have a closer look at this sort of metal style table that we have here, and this little printed pizza slice piece that we have sitting around here. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!